Friends, welcome to my English class academy, English class revision 1. So today in this session, we will repeat the earlier uh, details of English language we studied. Here, point number 1, the names. Names means nouns. Nouns are like a real names of person, places and things. For example, persons whose names are like Anil, James, Ravi, Manoj, Seema, Shankar, Rajesh, Smita, Geeta, etc. are the names of a persons. And places like places Mumbai, Bangalore, Tokyo, Singapore, Hong Kong, New Delhi, Srinagar, Dubai, Australia, Sweden, Norway, etc. These are the real names of the places. Now, for all these things, I have given Hindi translation for your convenience and understanding of English language. Okay, we'll move to our next slide, slide number 3. Now, friends, in this slide number 3, things things are given here, which are also known as names. Table, cotton, computer, office, station, platform, chair, fan, cooler, air conditioner, car, ship, aircraft, etc. are the names of things. So these are also called as names or noun for the things. Pronoun. Point number 2 is pronoun. Pronoun is a word used instead of a noun. Instead of a noun, where we use in some other way, that is called as a pronoun. Following are the examples of pronoun. I, you, we, they, them, she, her, your, mine, my, their, he, him, and it. These are all called pronoun. Instead of noun, we call somebody with all these pronouns. Okay. सर्वनाम, जिसे हिंदी में हम सर्वनाम कहते हैं। सर्वनाम संज्ञा के स्थान पर प्रयुक्त होने वाला शब्द है। सर्वनाम के उदाहरण निम्नलिखित है, जैसे मैं, तुम, हम, वे, वह, तुम्हारा, मेरा, उनका, वह, यह। ये सब सर्वनाम में आते हैं। अब हम चलेंगे अगले स्लाइड की तरफ। स्लाइड नंबर 4 में स्विच करेंगे। Friends, here is a English class revision 1 slide 4. Point number 3 is covered with verb. Verb is a word used to say something about some person, places or thing. Examples of verb are given below. Basically, Kriyapad. Verb means Kriyapad. Is, was, am, are, were, have, has, had, go, come, see, look, do, make, sit, stand, run, say, tell, watch, catch, throw, find, think, give, and take, etc. are the examples of verb. Wherever the action is there, wherever the action has been described, that is called as a verb. वर्ब यानी क्रियापद। क्रियापद वह शब्द है जो किसी व्यक्ति, स्थान या वस्तु के बारे में कुछ कहने के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है। क्रिया के उदाहरण नीचे दिए गए हैं। है, था, हु, है, जाना, आना, देखना, करना, बनाना, बैठना, खड़ा होना, दौड़ना, कहना, बताना, देखना, पकड़ना, फेंकना, खोजना, सोचना, देना, ले लो आदि इत्यादि। We'll move to our next slide, slide number 5. Now, friends, we are coming to slide number 5, English lesson class revision 1. Here we are covering point number 4, adjective, and point number 5, adverb. एडजेक्टिव को हम विशेषण कहते हैं, एडवर्ब को हम क्रिया विशेषण कहते हैं। एंड एडजेक्टिव इज अ वर्ड यूज्ड टू ऐड समथिंग टू द मीनिंग ऑफ नाउन और प्रोनाउन। ओके। विशेषण संज्ञा या सर्वनाम के अर्थ में कुछ जोड़ने के लिए विशेष शब्द का प्रयोग किया जाता है, उसे हम एडजेक्टिव कहते हैं। An adjective qualifies a noun or a pronoun. ये विशेष संज्ञा या सर्वनाम को योग्य बनाता है. Examples: a good boy, a fast train, much labor, 10 coins. यहाँ पे good, fast, much, 10, these are the examples of adjectives. हिंदी में इसी का अनुवाद जैसे हम कहेंगे एक अच्छा लड़का, एक तेज ट्रेन, बहुत मेहनत, 10 सिक्के. यहाँ पे एक अच्छा, तेज, बहुत, 10, ये सारी उदाहरण है विशेष विशेषण के. Now we will move to point number 5, adverb, kriya visheshan. An adverb is a word used to add something to meaning of a verb or adjective or another verb or another adverb. क्रिया विशेषण एक ऐसा शब्द है जिसका उपयोग किसी क्रिया विशेषण या किसी अन्य क्रिया विशेषण के अर्थ में कुछ जोड़ने के लिए किया जाता है. Examples are given below, which will give you clear idea and the real principle of the adjective and the adverb. He is working very hard. वो बहुत मेहनत कर रहा है. Hard, यहाँ पे hard जो है वो adjective है. वह अचानक आ गया. He came suddenly. Suddenly is an adjective. She is very fast in working. How is she? Very fast. Very is the adjective here. I hope you will be able to understand this uh, English language grammar for your better progress in English, making your English language. We'll move to our next slide, slide number 6. Now friends, coming to English class revision 1, slide 6. Here we covers preposition and also conjunction and interjection. Interjection. Preposition. A preposition is a word used with a noun or pronoun to show how the person or a thing denoted by a noun or pronoun stands in relation to something else. Example: on the road, in the house, by courtesy, with him. Here, on the, in the, by, with are the examples of preposition. Conjunction. संयोजक. A conjunction is a word which is used to join words, phrases, clauses and sentences to one another. कंजंक्शन संयोजक वह शब्द है जो शब्द वाक्यांशों, उपवाक्यों और वाक्यों को एक दूसरे से जोड़ने के लिए प्रयोग किया जाता है. सीता एंड गीता, थ्रू थिक एंड थिन. हियर एंड आर द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ कंजंक्शंस. इंटरजंक्शन. इंटरजेक्शन विस्मयादि बोधक. An interjection is a word which expresses some sudden feeling about something. ए इंटरजेक्शन एक ऐसा शब्द है जो किसी की अचानक भावना का व्यक्त होता है या करता है. एग्जाम्पल्स: अलास, हिप हिप हुर्रे, ओ, ओ माय गॉड. दीज आर द examples of interjection. So we will end today's session here only. I request you all to go through since beginning of this slide of revision 1 English class and try to understand basics of English language so that you will be able to understand and become good in English language. Okay, thank you all. We'll meet in our next session tomorrow.